Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a sales manager here at Seton. Are you having trouble deciding between Seton's Setmark and Opti-Code pipe markers? Well, both fully meet the ASME standard for pipe identification, are available in hundreds of standard wordings, and can be customized with your own wording and color combinations when a standard wording won't fit your needs. Both markers are going to get the job done, no question about it. The major difference between the two is how long it will take you to install each pipe marker. Remember, the overall cost of any pipe marking project is determined by adding the cost of the pipe markers themselves and the cost of the labor to install them. Set marks are the easiest pipe markers to install. No need to even clean the pipes before installation, just snap them on and you're done. Even harder to get at pipes can be a whole lot easier to get to with set marks. Now, this ease of use does have a trade-off. Although material cost is slightly higher than adhesive pipe markers, when you do the math and calculate the money you're going to save in labor costs for the actual installation of set marks, they end up saving you a considerable amount of money, especially on larger pipe marking jobs. Opticodes do take longer to install, that much is true. But with smaller pipe marking projects, where you're installing a few hundred pipe markers at a time or less, the price of each pipe marker becomes much more relevant to the overall project cost than installation time and labor costs. In this case, Opticodes definitely give you the quality and compliance you need at the price you want. Our goal at Seton is to help you reduce the overall cost of your pipe marking project. Have questions about your project? Just give one of our knowledgeable contractor specialists a call today and they'd be happy to help you figure it out. Stay safe.